Calamity. Hi, girl. You made a mess of your food here. What happened? Did you just get so excited when somebody came over to your cage that you just dumped the food all over the place? Did you go step right in it? Oh, headbutt to you too. Yes, you do like to have people stop by and say hello, don't you? You're a beautiful girl. Hi, Calamity. Yes, come right over and get a close-up. Hello, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Where you going? Where you going, girl? Okay, I'm gonna have to say goodnight. Yeah, it's time for you to go to sleep now. Yeah, it's gonna be very quiet here now, and I'm sure you would rather be in somebody's home where at 5 o'clock they're coming home from work or play or school and here to keep you company. Yeah, instead of being all alone here. Oh my goodness. But you're so brand new, Calamity. Yeah. You're a great girl. Somebody's going to be lucky to have you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, girl.